I'm calling this one X's from Little Corners. And I know it sounds like a country song. My X's come from little corners, whatever state. But it's not. So look, I made this from scraps. And there's something I was discovering. I did a thing called Kansas Star recently. And we took a half square triangle and we added these little corners to it and made it beautiful. Well, I was thinking, what happens if you take a half square triangle, set him aside. If you take a half square triangle and add little corners to only 2 of its ends. Okay, so that was the thought process. So what I'm using here, these are leftover half square triangles that I have from previous videos and previous projects. I don't know the names of these fabrics at this point because they're a little old. So I took these out because they're still useful. So this is a 4-inch square, half square triangle, and I cut 2-inch squares just out of white fabric. So now when you lay these on the corner, and I'm talking about the corners that intersect with the diagonal line, you would draw a diagonal line this way and stitch along that line. That's your first step. So I have done that, and it is right here. So we're going to zoom in on this. You can see my diagonal lines, and I've also sewn along those lines. So in theory, and in fact, hand me the tiny green ruler under the big one, please, and the rotary cutter. That's good. I am going to show you what's next. You're going to take your ruler and lop off 1/4 of an inch away from the sewn line, okay? Like that. And then we're going to turn it around and do the same thing on this side. We're just lopping off that ear, because what you get is a new square. Okay, I'm just going to press these down. That is your new square. Okay, so this can be used for many things. So I've made a couple of these squares here, and I want to show you when I lay them out. Okay, I can make virtually a really nice X shape in here. Do you see that? Now, even if I reverse all of these, I'm still making an X shape, but with the other fabric color. All right? So I've done that with a few, just so you can kind of see them. We don't need these anymore. They look like this, which I think they're really pretty. These are all little different samples. And I even had some blue and yellow HSTs I put together for that effect too. So you can see it is really making a series of X's. So when you put all that together, that's when the magic really appears here, because look at this. We've got beautiful X's in yellow, and we've also got them in the print color. They just keep repeating throughout as you place all of these things together. So again, this one, I just called it X's from Little Corners. I hope you will give it a try. Use up some of those old half square triangles that you have, because I had a bunch, but I used up a bunch on these, so I'm thankful for that. I hope you will like us on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And as always, happy sewing.